Hello guys, this is Mr. Market Switch here, and today I want to share with you something that's very important in the forex market. I have noticed that so many people have trouble in doing analysis, and they have trouble in developing their own trading strategy. But today I'm very much sure that most of you are going to adapt this strategy because I'm going to explore some magical things about this trading strategy. So guys, in this short video, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you how you can start your day by looking at the most important things in the forex market. You know, the most one of the greatest problems that people face before they jump into the market is what trade, what pair they should take, and where they should start doing the analysis. So today I'm here to solve that problem, and I'm sure that you guys are gonna enjoy this short video. All right. So as you can see, I have my MT4 here, and I have GBP USD, and what I'm going to do, I want to check what happened the past few days, and everything that we can learn out of it, so that we can be able to see the future direction of the market. So guys, as you can see here, I have GBP USD, and I've made some mark on this candle. This is a daily chart, and what I'm doing here, I want to put boundaries from one candle, from one daily candle to another daily candle, in this daily chart, so that when I go back to the small time frame, I can be able to see clearly what happened and what signal that the market could have shown us that could help us to take a position. Now, in this lecture, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use 3 or 4 important things. I'm going to look at the market levels, which include the market makers impulse moves, and I'm going to note reversal patterns on the high of the day or low of the day. So there are 3 important things that I'm going to consider as I'm going to explore, and as I'm going to show you what you should be looking at in the market. The first thing is how identifying high of the day and low of the day. The second thing is knowing where the market is, and by saying so, I mean the market levels. And we know that the market tend to move in 3 levels, so you should know where the market is in the small time frame or in the large time frame. That's very important. And the other thing that's the most important thing is to look at the reversal patterns, significant reversal patterns on the high of the day or low of the day. So guys, let's go back and see what happened. Now, if you go back to the small time frame, let's say 15 minutes, and I usually use 15 minutes time frame, you can see here, guys, if I zoom out carefully here, so if I zoom in carefully, you can see, so I can now clearly see the boundaries that I've put here, and you can see that the vertical lines represent the days that the market was moving and what happened. So this was Friday, which means yesterday. The market started at this level here, and as you can see, the market started at this level here, and it moved up to this and created another high of the day. So it went up about 114.5 pips, as you can see. So this was a Friday market. This one here, from this point, from this vertical line to this vertical line here, it was on Thursday where a greater movement happened, you see guys, and it was when there was Brexit decisions in UK. So it was a massive movement, So we are going to learn on how to look at the market and be able to grab these opportunities. You can see, guys, it was a very, very huge movement. And as you can see, the market went down about, how many pips? It went down about 300 plus pips. Wow, this was massive, guys. This was massive. So it's so sad if you missed it, but I know that most of you guys were able to take it, because I believe that most of you are in my my Signal channel, and I brought this up, and I believe most of people were able to make some good money here. So guys, so this was Thursday, this was Wednesday, and this was on Tuesday. Now we're gonna start our movement of the market by looking at what happened on Tuesday. We're gonna start our tour from this point where we heard this level here. It was high of the day, low of the day. This was low of the day on Monday market, and the market was able to move from this point, from high from this point. This was on Monday. It was when the market opened. It opened with a market gap here, and it went down to create a low of the day. Thereafter, it went up just near to the high of the day, and thereafter went down just near to the low of the day, and it created a kind of reversal pattern. This is a W pattern, guys. This is a W pattern. So on Tuesday, when the market opened, it continued by making a good shape of this W pattern or double bottom, and thereafter we started a three-level move up. So remember, when we opened the market on Tuesday, the first thing that you were supposed to look at was to be able to look at the low of the day where the market opened. Low of the day where the market opened. So for anyone who had this knowledge and was able to see this reversal pattern here, could take this trade from this point somewhere here. Could take this trade from this point somewhere here, if you are an aggressive trader, and you could wait until the market finishes or complete three levels up. As you can see, the market went and make a first level, second level, and third level. Let us mark these levels. So this was level 1. This was level 1. The market made level 1 here, guys. This was level 1, an impulse move, and we had some consolidation here, and the market, from this kind of consolidation, it created level 2. I'm talking about impulse move. So this was level 2, guys, and it created some consolidation here, and it came up to create the last level, which is level 3. Now, the completion of 3 levels up, it ended by creating another high of the day. This point here, was high of the day. Remember, the first high of the day was this point, where the market came up to this point before the close of the day. Then it came down to close on the low of the day. So this was the low of the day. So the market is moving from the low of the day in another new day, that was Tuesday. Now it went up 3 levels up and created another new high of the day. So the market closed. It didn't close just here. It just went up, down a little bit, and it closed down here. This is how the market behaves, guys. It cannot close just up there always. But the high of the day created was this one. So the market, after reaching this point, went up, down. Now this is a good signal, because when the market went down to this level, it didn't went up to the low of the previous low of the day. No. It just went halfway like that. maybe not halfway, but some few pips down. And when we started a new day, this was on Wednesday, the market just pushed up and made a retest on the previous half of the day, before moving down. So it created two highs. This is the previous half of the day, and this is now Wednesday half of the day. And as you can see, it is a reversal pattern. It's an M pattern, which you can also call a double top pattern. And for the one who had this knowledge, could take this trade confidently, knowing that the market has created double top, and this is a reversal pattern on the high of the day and in the lowest time frame, 15-minute time frame. So the market here could be helped by pushing down 3 levels, as you can see, 1 up to this level, and it created some consolidation, a pullback right here, and 2 this level, and it is now created a pullback, and 3 up to this point. So guys, if you decide to expand this, let us expand this a little bit, and so that you can be able to see it clearly. Okay, so the market went 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the low of the day, so this could be your first target, somewhere here, a little bit up, you see. So this could be your target, your first take profit. So when the market went down up to this level, you're out of the market. So it went up down to this point and pushed back before the start of the new day, pushed back, kind of range market, back to the high of the day, then low of the day, then back, and made some sort of breakout. This is a false breakout, guys. What you see here is a false breakout, because the market tried to show people that it is now maybe a long trade. It made some breakout at this level and created a new high of the day before opening of the new day. And once it went up this level, I believe that some people were trapped here, thinking that this was a genuine breakout, which is not. It's not a genuine breakout, because the market didn't behave. It went back to where it came from. So as you can see here, this was a false breakout. Now the question is, how do we know that this is a false breakout? How do we know that this is a false breakout? Guys, let me show you. When you see a high move or a very fast move of the market on the breakout, don't be trapped. It is a hunting. Market makers are hunting people to take the trade in that direction, and once people take trade in that direction, they automatically go against them. And this is exactly what happened. It was a massive movement. Look at this candle. You see, guys, went up very fast. And I believe that some people were putting their pending order up here at this somewhere up here at this level, and others they set their stop loss down up here. So they went up and took people's stop losses and grabbed their positions and put them back to the market, and they went against them, and they came back massively. The new day opened with this structure. This structure you see here, is a market maker structure, which indicates that this trade could be a very straight trade, as you can see. So when you see this kind of structure, guys, that the market came from hunting. It came from hunting. It was a false breakout, and it hunted a lot of people up there. And people are out of the market, stop loss have been taken, and pending order have been triggered, and now the people are now the position are now in the market, and the market is now against them massively. You see, if these people couldn't read the signals and get out of the market, I mean those people who were long at this point thinking that this maybe is a long trade, if they were not out of the market at this level, wow, my God, look at this, what happened. Look at what happened here. So what can you say? The account were wiped out because the market went down 300 plus pips. If you have a small account, you are no longer in the market, my friend. You are out of the market and you are killed. But those people who knows how these guys move in the market, we have killed the market makers and we have killed the brokers. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. So on Thursday, this was the deal. This was the deal. This was influenced. This movement was influenced also by Brexit. Theresa May was now making presentation in the Parliament so that they could see the way they can solve the issue of Brexit. But in this day, it's the day where a lot of ministers stepped down and resigned from their position. So pound was very weak in the market and was very weak against other pairs, and that's why you can see this massive movement of the market up there. Now, guys, if you go and see what happened on Friday, you can see the market after reaching this point now created some kind of reversal pattern, and it went up. It went up and it created another high of the day. So, guys, let me tell you something. If you don't know how market makers make their move in the market, oh my friend, I think you will wait for so long before you make a profit in the forex market. So the most important thing to learn is to learn how to select the high impact pairs, and this you can do by making sure that you master market switch theory. It's a theory I created. It's a theory I came up with after researching the market for 2 consecutive years. And I believe that if you master this theory, you will be able to know which pairs to trade. You'll not trade pairs which are in a waiting room. You'll not trade pairs which are in consolidation. You trade pairs which are in a greater move, a massive move, guys. So I believe that what I've said here will help you guys. So what do we expect in the coming week? So in this point, we have a new high of the day, as you can see, and we have a new low of the day, as you can see, guys. And we expect the market to behave between high of the day and low of the day. So I suggest when the market open on Monday, it's better, guys, to see what will happen. I don't advise you guys to jump in the market because the market is not in the high of the day and it's not in the low of the day. It is somewhere between. And the market maker have done this purposefully. They know you guys and know something about how the day, you know something about it. So they put the market at the center so that you may not have an easy option. You see? So I suggest you wait until you see the market either coming up to the half of the day and wait to see what pattern they will form that indicate the future direction of the market, or wait until you see the market move down to the low of the day and see, you have to take a trade confidently. At this point, you will not be confident enough. You will not be confident enough to take this trade because it is somewhere in between. But if you wait until it behave, it come at your level, you'll be able to use a bigger lot size, 5 lot size, 10 lot size, 100 lot size, and you are sure that the market will move on your side. So I believe that what I've just said will help you guys be able to take a high impact trade in the market and be able to move with the market makers. Don't move according to what you think. Move according to what they do, according to what they think. You must think like them. You must act like them. You must move like them. So by saying so, guys, I want to tell you that you make your subscribe on this channel, because in the few days to come, I'm gonna put a full package of market switch theory in this place, so that it may help you guys understand better about forex market. Thank you, guys. Have a nice trading week as we wait for market to open. Thank you. See you later.